Have you ever wondered what makes supercars so unbelievably fast and agile? What if I told you there's a secret material that's revolutionizing the way cars are built, making them not just faster, but also safer? Stick around until the end, and I'll reveal how this futuristic material is not only shaping the future of high-performance vehicles, but could also be making its way into the cars we drive every day. Imagine driving on a highway. Your car feels as light as a feather, yet as sturdy as a tank. It accelerates with the mere touch of the pedal, cutting through the air like a knife. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie. It's the reality of modern engineering, thanks to a remarkable material known as carbon fiber. Today, we're embarking on a fascinating journey to uncover how carbon fiber is revolutionizing car performance, making vehicles not just faster, but safer and more fuel efficient. Carbon fiber starts its life as a strand of carbon atoms bonded together in a long chain. These chains are woven together to form a lightweight, yet incredibly strong material. But what makes carbon fiber a game changer for cars? 3 words: strength, stiffness, and weight. Carbon fiber is stronger than steel at a fraction of the weight, making it the ideal choice for high-performance vehicles, where every gram counts. The journey from raw material to a sleek carbon fiber component is nothing short of alchemy. It begins with a precursor, usually a type of acrylic known as polyacrylonitrile, or PAN. This PAN is spun into fibers, which are then heated to incredibly high temperatures in an oxygen-free environment. This process, known as carbonization, transforms the fibers into pure carbon. These carbon fibers are then woven into a fabric and layered into molds. By adding resin and applying heat and pressure, the layers are fused into a single solid piece that's both lightweight and extraordinarily strong. In the high-stakes world of automotive design, every detail counts. Carbon fiber, with its unmatched strength-to-weight ratio, has become the material of choice for engineers looking to push the boundaries of what's possible. From sleek supercar bodies to the frames of high-performance sedans, carbon fiber is used to reduce weight without compromising safety. But it's not just the exterior that benefits. Components like steering wheels, dashboards, and even seat frames are being crafted from this futuristic material, combining luxury with performance. Now let's get to the heart of the matter. How does carbon fiber impact car performance? Imagine shedding hundreds of pounds from your car's weight. This isn't just about going faster. It's about transforming the entire driving experience. Acceleration becomes more responsive, braking distances are reduced, and fuel efficiency is improved. But the benefits don't stop there. The reduced weight allows for better handling and agility, giving drivers an unprecedented level of control and confidence on the road. Case studies from leading car manufacturers have shown time and again that integrating carbon fiber parts can significantly enhance performance, making it a key ingredient in the recipe for the next generation of high-speed, efficient vehicles. As we look to the horizon, the role of carbon fiber in the automotive industry is only set to expand. With advancements in manufacturing techniques, what was once reserved for supercars and luxury vehicles is becoming more accessible. Environmental sustainability is also a crucial part of the conversation. The industry is exploring ways to recycle carbon fiber, ensuring that this wonder material not only propels us faster into the future, but does so in a way that's kinder to our planet. We've journeyed through the world of carbon fiber, from its complex manufacturing process to its profound impact on automotive design and performance. It's clear that carbon fiber is not just a material, it's a revolution, transforming the cars of today into the marvels of tomorrow. As we continue to innovate and push the boundaries of what's possible, one thing is certain: the future of automotive design is lightweight, efficient, and incredibly fast, thanks to carbon fiber.